Have you ever felt knocked down with the weight of the world on your shoulders? It's a universal feeling. Life will present storms, but the invisible weight we carry shapes us in ways we can't always see, quietly building our strength. What if I told you that within you lies an unstoppable force, a power that helps you sail through life's storms, emerging stronger and wiser? This, my friends, is resilience. It's not just bouncing back, it's bouncing forward. It's the ultimate human superpower, the unwavering spirit that refuses to break. Resilience is like a seed. Even in the toughest conditions, it finds a way to grow, reaching for the light and breaking through the surface. Every setback isn't a dead end, it's a detour. Every challenge, a lesson in disguise. Failure is not the end of the story, but a dramatic plot twist, a stepping stone forged in fire, guiding us toward success. You are an alchemist, with the capacity to transform obstacles into opportunities, pain into purpose. Each struggle you face isn't breaking you, it's forging your character, deepening your understanding of who you are and what you're truly capable of. As the sun rises over new horizons, remember, every day brings a fresh opportunity to move forward, stronger than before. How do we unlock this power? It starts with your mind. Shift your perspective. Instead of, why me? Ask, what can this teach me? Embrace the belief that you can adapt and overcome, because your thoughts are the architects of your reality. You are not alone. Surround yourself with light bringers who uplift you and believe in you. A strong support network isn't a crutch, it's a launch pad. Together, we become stronger. Don't just react to life, create it. Take a proactive approach. Every challenge is a puzzle to solve, and every stumbling block can be transformed into a stepping stone on your unique journey. Finally, take care of yourself. Your well-being isn't a luxury, it's your foundation. Nourish your body, quiet your mind, and listen to your soul. This isn't selfish, it's essential to replenish the energy needed to rise again and again. Embracing resilience transforms your entire life, equipping you to thrive in an unpredictable world. It allows you to believe in your core ability to overcome, fostering a growth mindset that finds strength in every challenge. You'll recognize your progress, celebrate every victory, and build an unstoppable reservoir of confidence. Resilience isn't a destination, it's a profound journey, a process that shapes you into a more empathetic, adaptable, and strong individual, ready for anything. Everyone is on their own journey. Smile, move forward with purpose, and embrace the adventure. Every action you take builds confidence and inspires others. The power is already within you. It's time to awaken it and believe in the unstoppable force that is you. Join this global movement of rising strong. Tap into that inner fire, because the world is waiting for the magnificent story of the unstoppable you. Like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting inspiration.